Hello everyone, welcome aboard. Another progress update on our shed, the tiny house build here on the homestead. Show you what's got some insulation done. Still got about halfway done with the insulation. I still got to do the roof. I got spray foam coming for the gable end up there above the loft. This end I'm just going to insulate here at the rafters. Have a nice airspace above that. I got some baffles that I'll put on these little about a foot long sections right there. I'm going to drill some holes and put some window screen in there to keep the bugs out, but to get the air flowing. So I probably need about 6 more rolls of wall insulation. I got 1 pack of insulation for the roof. I'm going to see how far that goes to estimate how much more I need. I got 2 pieces of particle board that'll be for the flooring above the bathroom. I clear coated my corner post, tree log. Got all my wiring roughed in. All my plumbing and my interior walls are roughed in. Bathtub is in place. I gotta do a little bit of trimming underneath because my drain pipe is rubbing the ground. So I'm just gonna take my little saw and trim that out a little bit. Build a ladder to the upstairs that is removable. And when I build my closet here, I'm gonna build my closet after I get my solar panels, so I can easily work in this area, because this is where I'm gonna mount my solar. My breaker box will go there. My solar will go here. After I get that done, I'll do this wall and drywall that's going to be hid by the closet. All my visible walls will be tongue and groove or shiplap. So with the ladder, I'm going to leave like a 6-inch space above the closet, and I'll be able to take the ladder and slide it in there, which I told you in the last video. So yeah, kind of got an idea of the log here. You'll be able to see most of it, except for 4 inches here and 4 inches on the other bathroom wall. My plan, I got my hot water, instant hot water heater. My plan for that is to put it in this corner, inside the corner closet or the kitchen cabinet, vent it outside. And I got my vent for the fan outside as well. I got to figure out how I'm going to do that yet. Some of these wires yet I still got to nail up. But that's my progress so far. We're getting there. Hopefully next weekend start putting up finish walls. Maybe. I'm going to probably take a break tomorrow. Come back out. I'm off Monday. Do a little work Monday. Then Friday, Saturday of next week, do some work on it. So there's my update. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you soon.